Hello and welcome to our video about unlocking wealth secrets and the strategies needed for starting from scratch. This video is intended for you if you're a young adult just starting out or somebody who's been in the workforce for quite a while now and is interested in taking your money to the next level. Building money is not an easy matter, but it's certainly doable. You will achieve financial goals and create a better future for yourself and your loved ones if you use the appropriate tactics and mentality. Now, take some pointers because we are going to go over some tried and true tactics that have helped many individuals reach their financial objectives. We will cover everything from stock market investments to saving money on everyday costs. For starters, let's define wealth. Wealth is more than just having a large sum of money. It's having the financial flexibility to live the life you desire. It's all about having enough funds to fulfill your expenditures and pursuing your goals without being concerned about how you will make ends meet all the time. So, how can you produce money from the ground up? The first approach is to have a clear understanding of your financial situation. This involves analyzing precisely the amount that is coming in, how much is being spent, and where your funds are going. This entails closely examining your sources of income and thoroughly analyzing your spending. This allows you to find areas in which you might be overspending or where you may make cuts to save money. To keep tabs on your spending, you use a budgeting program or a spreadsheet. Mint is a free application that links your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments to provide you a comprehensive view of your money. Personal Capital is a financial management tool which offers an in-depth picture of your financial accounts, assets, and spending habits, as well as individualized investment advice and retirement planning tools. You Need a Budget is a widely known budgeting tool that highlights the significance of allocating each dollar to a specific task and allows you to track costs in real time. If you prefer a much more hands-on way to budgeting, you can customize your own financial spreadsheet with Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, giving you entire control over the process and allowing modification based on your individual requirements. You may use these tools to track your income, spending, and savings over time. By consistently entering your financial data, you can pinpoint behaviors and patterns that can help you make smarter financial decisions. The second process is to begin saving after you have a clear understanding of your financial status. Saving a percentage of your monthly income is one of the most crucial practices for accumulating money. You can seek methods to lower your costs and raise your income along with saving a percentage of your income. Bargaining prices, eliminating needless spending, or finding methods to generate extra income through side hustles or freelance work are all examples of this. A reasonable rule of thumb is to set aside at least 20% of your earnings. It's crucial to remember that this proportion does not apply to everybody and may be altered based on your own financial state. If it seems excessive, begin with a lower proportion and gradually increase. This will help you to develop a savings habit and progressively increase your savings rate. It's also worth mentioning that the amount you save will vary according to your income, spending, and budget. You could actually create a financial cushion to guide you to better manage unexpected bills or income interruptions by saving away a percentage of your earnings. Also, saving and investing a percentage of your income can assist you in meeting long-term financial objectives such as preparing for retirement, acquiring a home, or paying for a child's education. The idea is to establish a savings rate that is appropriate for your lifestyle and financial objectives. The key thing is to get started and make a saving a constant element of your financial strategy, whether it would be 20%, 10%, or even 5%. Another important wealth building method is to focus on growing your income. The more money you make, the more money you have to save and invest. Increasing your income will present you with a variety of benefits. One of the most important advantages is increased financial stability, which may help you save more money and lay a better foundation for your future. An increased salary can also improve your level of living, helping you participate in activities like traveling, leisure time, or house improvements you've always wanted to do, and can provide new prospects for job progression or entrepreneurship, as well as enable you to contribute more generously to organizations that correspond with your beliefs. But then, accumulating wealth is more than just earning and storing money. It also pertains to debt management. Debt may be a huge impediment to wealth creation since interest payments eat away at your savings. There are several methods to enhance your income, including work advancement, launching a side hustle, and investing in assets. To raise your worth to your company, you can improve your professional standing by pursuing promotions, learning new skills, or taking on more responsibility. Studying further education can also help you get new skills, certificates, or credentials, which can lead to new work prospects and increased earnings. Establishing a side hustle, investing in assets, and monetizing your interests are all feasible ways to generate extra cash. Other options for increasing your income include negotiating your wage or pursuing higher paying positions. The idea is to devise a strategy and work persistently toward your financial objectives. Moving on to debt management, paying off high-interest debt first or combining various loans into a single loan with a lower monthly payment can make it easier to pay off debt quicker and save money on interest. Also, avoiding additional debt by paying with cash rather than credit or making a plan to pay off your credit card amounts in full each month might help you handle your debt more successfully. Lastly, when it comes to money building, it's critical to have a long-term mindset. Wealth does not appear suddenly. It's the outcome of many years of hard effort, dedication, and wise financial decisions. And when it comes to financial security, maintaining a long-term attitude may give various benefits. It can assist individuals in prioritizing future savings, which leads to greater savings. It can also alleviate financial stress since people are not continuously concerned about short-term earnings or losses. A long-term mindset could provide people greater financial freedom by laying a solid financial foundation, giving them more alternatives when it comes to employment, retirement, and other significant life decisions. Individuals can employ a variety of ways to develop a long-term financial attitude. Setting long-term financial objectives, for example, might help people manage their financial decisions and avoid being distracted by short-term temptations. Creating a financial plan is also important since it may assist individuals in creating a path for reaching their long-term financial objectives. This plan may contain, among other things, a cost estimate, savings account, investment portfolio, and debt repayment plan to assist individuals in staying on track and making progress toward their goals. Long-term investing is another method that can assist people develop wealth and accomplish their financial objectives. Individuals may benefit from the ability of compounding over time by purchasing stocks, property investment, or retirement savings, earning greater profits compared to what they would with short-term investments. It is additionally critical to avoid rash financial decisions, which might disrupt long-term financial planning. Individuals may make better judgments that match with their long-term goals by taking the time to analyze financial options. Overall, being focused on the larger picture is critical to developing a long-term attitude. While it's easy to become engrossed in day-to-day financial problems, it's critical to keep long-term financial objectives in mind. Individuals may then make decisions that are consistent with their entire financial strategy and take them closer to their objectives. To sum it all up, creating a long-term financial perspective involves perseverance and self-discipline, but the benefits are well worth the effort. People who use these strategies can find themselves towards long-term financial success. Anyone who is prepared to devote sufficient time and effort may develop riches from the ground up. You could attain financial prosperity and create a brighter future by knowing your financial conditioning, saving, and investing properly, growing your income, controlling your debts, and focusing on a long-term perspective. And that's a wrap on our video about building wealth from scratch. We hope you find these strategies to be useful and informative. Remember that wealth creation is a process that requires time and work to attain your financial objectives. However, with persistence and the proper way, you can get there. We encourage you to put these methods into action and begin working towards your financial stability. Make sure to be attentive, principled, and to have your ambitions in mind at all times. We thank you for sticking around and we'll see you in the next one.